This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making fried fish with soya sauce and ginger. I have here 2 pieces of mackerel steaks, but you can use any fish steaks you like. Season your fish with salt and Chinese cooking wine. The Chinese cooking wine will help get rid of any fishy smell. Set this aside. In a hot wok over low heat, that's low heat, add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Lightly fry the ginger till it's almost golden brown and crispy. This will take a few minutes because of the low heat. Just keep moving the ginger around. When the ginger is almost golden brown and crispy, remove it. The ginger will continue to cook when you remove it from the oil. If you cook it till it's golden brown, it will continue to cook and it will turn black and bitter. Now what you are left with is essentially ginger oil. Turn the heat up to medium. Pat the fish dry and fry the fish. It's important to pat the fish dry, otherwise the oil will splatter due to the excess moisture. Fry the fish till it's golden brown on both sides. When the fish is done, remove it and set it aside. Turn off the heat. There will be quite a bit of oil left in the pan. Remove the oil, leaving about 1 tablespoon of oil behind. Now for the sauce. In the pan, with that 1 tablespoon of oil, add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. One teaspoon of sugar and a few dashes of white pepper. Stir this till all the sugar dissolves. Pour this sauce over the fish just before serving. And garnish it with the crispy ginger. This is fried fish with soya sauce and ginger.